you did couple hits well with Penthouse, but then this is where you started to really go around. This is where Bobby Digital, this is where Steely and Clevie, this is where Shocking Vibes, this is where Taxi, all of them came in. So I just want to go through a bit of each of them to see how you even connected with somebody like a Bobby Digital.
Well, that's the way it is, something is happening, everybody want piece of the action, yeah? So I think it was Dalton Brownie. Somebody took me to Bobby and said to me, somebody said, boy, we need to go check Bobby Digital. So I went to Bobby. No, actually it was Steely because, all right, Lloyd Stanbury was my manager at the time. Lloyd Stanbury also managed Steely and Clevie. Garnet Silk, Half Pint, couple other people, Michigan and Smiley, Michael Rose, I can't remember the roster, but yeah. So Steely and Clevie, we were basically in the same camp. So it was Steely that took me around to Bobby because Steely and Clevie used to make rhythm for jammies. Right? Now, Bobby Digital was Jammy's engineer before him having won a situation, so they had that. So Steely took me around to Bobby, and Bobby said to me, he want me to sing over Moving Away. So Steely made the rhythm, and I did Deep Down Inside of Me. Because when them say they want me to sing that, I say, all right, Ken Booth is one of my inspiration as a voice, because even growing up, people like Eddie Kendricks, but me, I love David Ruffin, man, because, I am thinking a man should sound like a man, especially when he talk to a woman, none of this, no disrespect to anyone on a father. I love a father, but yeah, I wish sunshine, blue sky, please. I mean, David Ruffin, Jesus. If there, to me, that's the wickedest singer ever come out of Atlanta. It's David Ruffin, that's right.
So you got it like that. Talking about that same rhythm, they're moving away. This was when Garnet Silk had a song on the same rhythm. Did you ever interact with Garnet Silk? Because you guys were between Roof, Bobby Digital, Steely, and Clevie.
Garnet Silk, I'm a friend, man. We spent a good while under the lime tree around a mixing lab. I wait for Steely and Clevie. I actually took Garnet to Roof because Courtney Cole and my sister used to go to Clarendon College, and she used to board with Courtney Cole's parents. So I know Courtney from way back, long time did. So, yeah. So Garnet and I had a really nice, at the time I used to have a CB200 that I ride. So I would go pick up Garnet around at 200 Rebel Yard over Pembroke and drop him home at night time. You know what I mean? And yeah, if me not have two shung peng, we no smoke. If me not have lunch money, we no eat. So, it was one of them scenarios. But yeah, wow. Talk about gone too soon.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.